don't have to depend on one customer, although the likelihood of you succeeding is very high. But there are more customers to go for.
Yes, of course.
Okay? So you build your team up, build up their sales ability, they can actually get more people in for you.
Just before we begin, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notified whenever we release new videos.
I'm in the property line doing real estate. I'm talking to a huge client right now, my first deal. This customer is going to kickstart me, and if it's successful, I will be able to cushion my 1 year's income.
Okay, so what would you like to do?
I would like to know when can I close this deal.
Anytime lah. This one you're gonna ask me. It's not a timing thing, right? It's you are the business person. You decide lah.
From QiMen, can we actually see? No.
No.
Okay.
Because I may see the impossibility, maybe something wrong. Better you go for it. Don't need to ask.
Okay.
Okay? What you can ask is how to grow your business.
Okay. I also have the harm door, so I would like to go under the affiliate marketing.
Yeah.
Yep.
That would be good. But let's say you want to grow your business, yeah?
Okay.
You are Ting Fire. Let's see, where is the Ting Fire in this chart? It's right here, open door. Perfect, okay? So now you're one-man show, one person?
I have two partners. Unfortunately, both of them are born in the year of tiger. So I am actually the one making the shot, helping them.
So the subtitle is they're useless lah. Okay, all right.
No, they are not useless.
All right,
They
okay, fine,
can
fine.
help me.
Can help you?
Can.
Okay, then 早講嘛. So are they able or not able to help you?
Yes, they are.
Okay, cool. So these people, because it's producing, this is the business producing the self element. Your current situation looks quite good, no? There are growth within this. You don't have to depend on one customer, although the likelihood of you succeeding is very high. But there are more customers to go for.
Yes, of course.
Okay? So you build your team up, build up their sales ability, they can actually get more people in for you. Okay? It looks good on this chart.
Okay. Because I was actually very anxious on this deal because it's about 10 million. So it's really going to cushion and be able to get me the cash flow in.
Yeah, the more kanchong you are, the more you will lose this deal on, okay? You must treat it like every day is exam choy ma. Yeah? Then it's better.
Okay.
All right? So in fact, they're much more than this. I think your people can help you. Have some faith in them.
Yeah, I do.
It's just now only you go and say they're no good.